Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share a challenge with you in a new digital stamp. And I love how this one turned out. I hope you guys do too. So every month, Carrie Rhodes hosts a digital design team challenge for the group. And she invites everyone to play. So we would love for you guys to join in on this challenge. And this month, the challenge is to use a not too shabby digital stamp with a food image and a stencil. So you have to use one of our digital stamps that has food on it and a stencil. You can use any stencil you want. So I'm going to share my cards that I made for this challenge, and I'll share the new digital stamp because he's so cute and I used him on my card. This is called Puppuccino. And it looks like Charlie. I tried to draw it so it looks like Charlie. So Charlie's an Aussie doodle, but this could be a doodle, or it could even look like a golden lab. I thought it looked like kind of like a golden lab, but it's a really cute puppy up on a countertop drinking his puppuccino. So I actually drew in the countertop for you. After I printed it out, I'm like, oh, I forgot the countertop. So I drew in the countertop so it does print out like this. And when you download it and press print, you can, there's an option usually on your printers to print more than one image on a sheet. If you print 4, it'll print out like this, and it's the perfect size for your A2 size card. I printed it out on printer paper, and I just cut it out to create a mask for my card. So here are my 2 cards. I think they're so cute. So this is the first one that I did. After I colored him up, I cut my mask out, and then I took my stencil and stenciled right over it. So I thought it looked super, super cute with that background. So I just put that on top and then put this on top and then did a little stenciling. So I will attach the process to this. It'll be real quick. I fast forward a little bit, and I'll just play some music and you can see how I did that really quick. But this is all done with Copic markers, and then for added detail I used a white Prismacolor pencil just to put those little wispies in its hair. Let's see if I could get real close, if you can see that. So I will be doing a coloring video on this shortly. I'll show you how to do a shaggy dog like this. I'd like to do a curly one too. That would be fun. Now the food that I put on my card is this little donut here. I dressed up the little sentiments with my food. So I did this one with the little cupcake and this one with the donut. And those images are from the Coffee Cart digital stamp set. And this one came out really cute too, but I wanted to color it in more simple, just to see how cute it would look if you didn't, you know, do all that fancy coloring. And I thought it turned out really cute as well. And then I just did the sentiments. I cut them down and then drew the black line around for added detail, and then the white jelly roll stitching around my card panel. The bottom, this layer here is done with the Copics, but then I went around with my distress inks around the whole panel. And that was Rusty Hinge. See, I think this one looks like a golden Labrador. So those are my 2 cards. The new digital image, you can get that at the shop. I'll have the link in the description box for you. You can grab it for $3.99. Plus you can use the coupon code Jamie for 10% off your order. The sentiments that I used on my cards came from our new pumpkin spice digital stamp. So it comes with some pumpkins, a coffee mug, some pumpkin spice, and these sentiments. This is what it looks like when it's printed out smaller. This was before I added the little countertop, so it'll be a little bit different. But he's super cute small too. So we would love for you to play along. All you have to do is post your card using the hashtag NotTooShabbyDigiChallenge. We'd love to find your creations and connect with you. So if we use the hashtag, we can all click on that hashtag and find each other. It's such a fun way to get to know each other, check out each other's creations, and share our love for card making. So I hope you guys have a great crafty weekend. I'll see you real soon, but stay tuned for the process, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys!